Hello, my wonderful people. Please beware of this broadcast. It's not real. It's not real. Just watch this video. Please share this video so that people will know. In this hardship in Nigeria, if the little you have, if some people will come and scam it from you, know how you feel. So please share this video for your people, for everybody to see, your relations, so they will not fall victim. I like sharing this kind of video just to save souls. So please share it. You can also save your relations too.
Famous singer Davido has released a new app that is making Nigerians very wealthy.
I want all my people to live with dignity and have enough money.
Davido is a well-known philanthropist worldwide. His goal is to pay out 90 million naira within the next 30 days, and he is already halfway there, having paid out 13 million to residents of Nigeria.
Oh, this is so crazy. I play this game on a weekly basis. It's gotten to a point right now where 800,000 naira means absolutely nothing to me. I can't wait to keep making more and more.
One lucky individual, Issa Obi, made 3 deposits of 300 naira each and never expected a miracle. On the same day, to his surprise, he won 5 million naira. Registration is still open right now. All you need to do is download the app, register, and make a deposit to start playing. Don't miss your...
These Yahoo boys, when I don't get conscience, even as we they suffer for this country like this, when we say people they waka they face, hungry they beat people, now see they look for way to still take collect from other people, now don't get conscience. So somebody called my attention to this app and said they are using this thing to scam. Apparently the person don't go play on top. So when he sent it to me, I went straight and I watched the advert. I even believed it because I see TVC, I watch the month, everything follow. Not knowing say these people will carry that TVC, place them on top, carry news where they talk about the video, go attach them with the one we go do for us. I put everything together, posted it on Instagram, sponsor the ad. And some people don't already they play that game, they lose money. A lot of people are beginning to lose money on that game, not knowing that even the Davido is not even aware, because immediately they sent it to me. I sent it to Davido and I asked him, are you aware of this? And then he said no. We are in a very desperate time in Nigeria, so a lot of people will be desperate. But inside your desperation, try to use your sense. Try to use your sense. All these Yahoo boys are not a pity. And my problem with the Yahoo boys again, say they collect all this money now to carry and go this spray for cloth. No, still not even kind of do one better thing. That's the problem. But I beg one to pity people this period. Nigerians they go through a lot. Pity people this period. I beg. Don't go and play that game, oh. Don't go and play that game. The video say not there aware. Say another now go down another for Kubana chief priest. Say me they donate money for national welfare based on the hardship where they go for Nigeria. Please be careful. Don't put your money in these things. All this happens this scam online, and you don't say Nigerians are desperate. Everybody want make quick money, especially the youths. Don't put your money here. You know me, all I have to do is to just advise you. If you like, go put your money. If you come meet me later, I'm not going to answer you. This thing, Davido is not aware. Kubana piece of this one is not aware. Well, now to say they like support Davido now for our own good. And they talk and no be Davido. Now own good. Now they go scam. By that time you will learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.